Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Badr Atif, and I'm excited to present our project from our team, Green Tech Innovators. This presentation focuses on how climate change-driven drought is threatening farmers' livelihoods and how innovative solutions like our AI-powered climate prediction app can make a difference. So, let's dive in. Before we dive in, let me introduce our dedicated team behind this project. Mr. Mohammed Khalid, our project manager. Mrs. Habiba Al-Gahlawi, our product manager. Mrs. Nagla Haggag, our user experience researcher. And finally, me, Badr Atif, the team data analyst. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's here, and it's impacting lives today. One of the most pressing issues is drought, which is destroying farmers' livelihoods, reducing food production, and weakening rural economies. This isn't just about crops, it's about people. Families are being forced to migrate, communities are destabilizing, and the food insecurity is rising. Without effective solution, these ripple effects will only getting worse, endangering both national and global food supplies. And here we are, our grand challenge, the climate change. This is not just an environmental issue, it's a human crisis. Millions are being displaced, and food security is at stake. Climate change is climate change-driven drought threaten farmers' livelihoods all over the world, reduces food production and weakness rural economies, leading to food insecurity and forced migration. Without effective solution, these ripple effects destabilize communities and increase poverty and endanger national and global food supplies. So, why does this matter? Let me share a story that brings this issue to life. Meet Harun, a young man from Mozambique. After graduating with a computer science degree, Harun dreamed of improving his small farm, but a sudden flash drought destroyed his land and his village and his dreams. Instead of pursuing his ambitions, Harun had to use his savings to migrate, leaving his dreams behind. His story is just one of over 20 million people forced to abandon their aspirations due to climate change. It's a stark reminder of the human cost of inaction. Let's look at this data. These graphs illustrate the severity of the problem. Graph 1 shows the increasing frequency of droughts over the past decade. Graph 2 highlights the decline in agriculture productivity in drought-affected regions. Graph 3 demonstrates the economic impact on rural communities. The numbers don't lie. Climate change is hitting hard, and we need solutions now. To tackle this crisis, we introduce an AI-powered climate prediction app using machine learning, satellite data, and IoT sensors. It forecasts risks like droughts, floods, and heat waves, allowing farmers and policymakers to take proactive action. This innovative AI-driven climate prediction app redefines our approach to climate challenges. By leveraging advanced machine learning, it analyzes weather patterns, and environmental data to forecast risks such as droughts, heat waves, and floods. With real-time alerts and personalized strategies, it empowers farmers, policymakers, and the communities to act proactively, integrating satellite data, IoT sensors, and historical trends. This app significantly enhances accuracy, helping users protect crops, optimize resources, and strengthen food security. AI provides early warnings, optimize resource usage, and enhance resilience. Most importantly, it is scalable and accessible even for low-income farmers. The AI-powered climate prediction app was chosen for its ability to provide early warnings, optimize resource use, and enhance agriculture resilience through data-driven insights. Its accessibility and scalability ensure that even low-income farmers can benefit from it, making it an effective solution for mitigating climate change-driven drought impacts. Introducing the groundbreaking AI-driven climate prediction app that transform our approach to climate challenges. Utilizing advanced machine learning, it analyzes weather pattern and environmental data to accurately predict risks like drought, heat waves, and floods with real-time alerts and customized action plans. The app empowers farmers, policymakers, and the communities to respond swiftly by integrating satellite imagery, IoT sensors, and historical data. It enhances forecasting accuracy, helping users protect crops, optimize resources, and strengthen food security amid climate uncertainty. Here's a sneak peek at the app design and functionality. The interface is user-friendly with real-time alerts, actionable insights, and customizable plans. Whether you are a farmer in Mozambique or a policymaker in Europe, this app is designed to meet your needs. Of course, with any technology, there are ethical considerations. We have addressed this by ensuring data privacy, transparency in how predictions are made, and equitable access for all users. Our goal is to empower, not to exploit. Unpredictable weather conditions. Farmers struggle to plan due to sudden droughts, floods, heat waves leading to crop failure. Water scarcity. Limited access to irrigation and declining water resources make it difficult to sustain crops, especially in drought-prone areas. High-cost farming inputs, expensive seed, fertilizers reduce profitability and limit farmers' ability to scale production. Limited market access. Farmers lack direct access to buyers, forcing them to sell at low prices through middlemen, reducing earnings. The user wants to grow various crops but lack the necessary knowledge, resources, or support to do so. Soil degradation and low productivity. Poor soil health due to overfarming and climate impacts lower yields and makes farming less sustainable. Lack of financial support. Limited access to credit, loans, or insurance prevents farmers from investing in better tools and technology. The quality of farming is not high enough to provide a stable and a sufficient income. Change starts here, and each of us has a role to play. Here's what you can do. Pressure decision makers to adopt smart and sustainable policies. Conserve water and support environmental solutions in your daily life. Share this idea with others. Awareness is the first step to change. Support innovation and learn how AI can be part of the solution. Together, we can make a difference. So, what's next? We are continuing to refine the app, expand its reach, and collaborate with farmers and policy makers worldwide. This solution has the potential to make a significant difference, not just for farmers like Harun, but for all of us who depend on a stable food supply. With funding, we will transform climate resilience for farmers by enhancing our AI-powered prediction, expanding access to underserved communities, and ensuring real-time actionable insights. We will integrate advanced data sources, optimize usability, and launch pilot programs to maximize impact. This is more than just technology. It's about securing livelihoods and the food system for the future. The solution can make a significant difference by empowering farmers with the knowledge, resources, and support needed to improve productivity, adapt to climate challenges, and achieve financial stability. And the most important, it would convenience them to invest in their own countries and not to immigrate. And lastly, but not last, if you are interested in learning more or getting involved, here is how you can explore these resources to dive deeper into the issue. Thank you for your time and attention. Let's work together to build a more resilient future.